My name is Ciara. I'm 30 years old, and for as long as I can remember, emetophobia is something that has controlled and consumed my life. Prior to finding the Thrive program, almost every single thought I had every single day of my life had to do with vomit in some way, shape, or form. How can I avoid situations? How can I try to control every situation that I am in? How can I try to control other people around me? And I would excessively wash my hands to the point where they would bleed. I would excessively wash my daughter's hands. I would try to avoid going out to eat as much as possible due to the food. And what if someone had been sick at our table prior to me sitting down? I would try to avoid public transportation as much as I could, touching any public surface. And it just became this all-consuming phobia. And I knew once my daughter started daycare and was becoming more aware of her surroundings and picking up on the behaviors of others, that I had to change, or I inevitably was going to pass this on to my daughter. And that is something that I never wanted to do. And I decided the cycle has to stop with me. I have to be the one to control the rest of my life and control the narrative moving forward. And so I started researching programs and therapies, and obviously I found the Thrive program. And I can honestly say that with the help of my coach, Lauren, the Thrive program has completely transformed my life. It has brought to light a lot of my unhelpful thinking styles. It made me realize that I was a very external person prior to doing this program. I always believed that my emetophobia was something that was happening to me, and my anxiety was something that was happening to me. I didn't know that I had the power to change it and control it. And so I've been out of the Thrive program now for about a month, and I am able to go touch the grocery cart in public. I'm able to drop and pick up my daughter from daycare and not wonder, is she going to throw up today? Was she exposed to a stomach bug? All of those what if and very catastrophic thoughts have just melted away. And now if one does happen to come into my brain, I know what to do with it, I know how to process it, and I know how to stop it. And I think that is what has been most helpful about the Thrive program, is just helping me understand myself and understand that I am in control and I have the power. And so my message to all other emetophobes out there is, if you are watching this right now, you are likely suffering, and life does not have to be this way. It doesn't matter how long you've had your emetophobia, how bad you think it is. I think every emetophobe thinks that theirs is the worst, right? And ultimately it's not. There's a lot of us out there, and you have the power to change your life and stop this phobia. And so if you are on the fence at all about signing up for this program, I would 100% recommend it to anyone and everybody out there, and best of luck to you all.